Hi, welcome to Simple Go Easy channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to build the water locket with parachute. Okay, so how to add in the parachute over here, I'm going to show you. But before that, if you would like to know how to build up the water locket body, okay, this ones, you can view my previous video over here. Okay, so now I would like to let you know that based on the original design, okay, you can see that if I are using the modeling clay over here, when I slot in, okay, so if I launch the water locket like this ones, because they have the huge momentum is moving up, so according to the Newton's law, actually they have the force acting downwards as well, based on here. So the cap, it may be slot in a little bit deeper, therefore when it fall down, okay, you can see that when it fall down, maybe the cap is knocked off from the body. Okay, means that the parachute, if you build up inside, right, it cannot open it up. Okay, so we can have two solutions to solve this design. The first solution is to take off the modeling clay, because we can reduce the mass, and once it reduce the mass, the force acting downwards is also going to be reduced. So it will be easier for it to off from the body when it fall down. Okay, then the second choice is to reduce the length over here, so it becomes shorter and it's just enough to cover at the heads of the body over here. So you can see that if you cut it, then you maybe consider to cut until this level, so when it fall down, it will be easier for it to take off compared to the long length over here. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Okay, so this is the cap that I cut off. So you can see that it's just enough to cover the head of the water locket body. So when it fly, okay, when you launch the water locket, it will move up vertically. But once it loses all of the energy, okay, from here, then it will fall down. When it fall down, you can see that this cap will immediately take off from the water locket body over here. So means that the parachute that we're going to build it later, it will open up automatically. Okay, so let's continue to see how to build up your parachute. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. If you like my video, please give me the thumbs up and leave me any comments that you would like to share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icons so you won't miss out my latest video. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.